Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring basics that often fix one-sided audio. Power and pairing issues are common. First, confirm your source device volume and Bluetooth output are set to stereo and not mono. Next, visually inspect the left ear cup, hinge, and port for dirt or a disconnected cable. Dirt can block the driver. Once done, charge fully and force a power cycle. Hold the power button for about 10 seconds, so the internal Bluetooth module reloads and clears transient faults. You next handle software reasons left side silence can persist. Unpair and forget beats from every device so old profiles don't force mono or channel routing, then repair as if new. If available, open the Beats or manufacturer app to verify firmware. Outdated firmware can disable a driver. If the issue persists, perform a factory reset. Hold the power plus volume down combination until the LEDs flash, because this clears corrupted audio channel settings and forces both ear cups to renegotiate with the phone. You finish by isolating hardware faults and applying a last troubleshooting trick. Test the headphones with a different source, and if your model supports it, a wired connection. If the left works wired but not Bluetooth, the issue is wireless or firmware. Gently press and wiggle the left cup while audio plays to find intermittent contact. This helps locate a loose wire. If nothing returns sound, use a small electronics contact cleaning spray around external seams. If that fails, arrange professional repair because driver or cable replacement may be required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.